Hello and welcome. Welcome to the question answer session with LotusFunds. And we have Mr. Pradyut, who is, of course, a research analyst by profession.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you so
and
much.
yeah, before we start with the questions, the disclaimer. Please note that whatever discussions we have here and the stocks being mentioned here are purely for learning and educational purpose. There's no intention out here to put it as a recommendation and or for that matter a trade. Kindly consider that.
Yeah, this is महज ये education के लिए है.
जी.
We need to evolve, learning purpose के लिए है.
बिल्कुल.
There is no intention of, we are not recommending any stock over here.
Right.
Yeah, please.
Shall we begin, sir?
Yeah.
Great. The first question. The Dow Jones scaling up to its all-time high, or rather, the new record high in Friday's trade. So is it good or bad?
Obviously it is good. Yeah, it's a positive news. वो बोलते हैं ना, जिंदगी जिंदा दिली का नाम है.
क्या बात है?
मुर्दा दिल क्या खाक जिया करते हैं?
Right.
Correct.
Yes.
So it should be taken positively. The markets will take it with both hands.
Very nice.
That's a optimism for our markets as well. That the news, the Dow went up in Friday's trade,
Right.
on backdrop of a September rate cut, which is on the table now.
Correct.
Okay, the doors have been opened by Mr. Jerome Powell himself. So it should be looked at as positively. I believe Dow made a new high at 45,857. And Singapore Nifty, as on Friday's close, it was up 125 points. So Monday we can see around 150, around 25,000 Nifty we could again, Nifty should be able to reclaim 25,000. So anything which is boosting our markets, it should be taken positively.
Taken with both hands.
Yeah. So we are quite positive with the backdrop of a rate cut in US in September.
Yeah, yeah. So here I'll come to another question, which is like,
And
if you could...
I will just add something. You saw a jump in the markets, on the sentiments.
Exactly.
Last week, entirely the US markets were trading sluggish. But all of a sudden, you see Dow jumping 850 points, 800, 850 points. That's a big win for the index.
Correct.
And at the new records, new record high. That came because of known unknown. Known unknown in the sense, it was known that rate cut is coming. But the street never anticipated that Jerome Powell will agree for a rate cut so soon. Because that's the fact. So because of known unknown, the markets moved up.
Correct.
Yeah. There is a psychology behind Friday's jump at Wall Street indices.
I'll just continue with that same. My second question would be on, could you elaborate on known unknown and of course unknown?
Just like known unknown, in Friday's trade at Wall Street, it was known that, I will repeat again this one.
Please.
It was known that interest rates are coming.
Correct.
Interest rate cuts are coming. But it was not known that Jerome Powell will agree so easily.
Got it.
He will give it away easily, so because Trump was always pressurizing him. It was looking like that.
Okay.
Correct. But he agreed very swiftly. And because of that unknown factor, markets took it very positively.
Wonderful.
And markets moved up.
Correct.
And then there is always unknown known. We will discuss this something later.
Done.
Yeah.
And now coming to the third question. Well, looks like, or rather, is it expected September rate cut because of US President Donald Trump pressing for lower rates?
Mr. Donald Trump, US President, he is तो everywhere. उसमें गाना आता है ना कि मुझको देखोगे जहां तक, मुझको पाओगे वहां तक, रास्तों से कारवां तक, इस जमी से आसमां तक,
क्या बात है,
जिधर देखोगे मैं ही मैं हूं, दूसरा कोई नहीं.
Wow.
You know this song is picturized on whom?
No, I have no idea.
It's picturized on Raj Kapoor's youngest son. His name was Rajiv Kapoor.
Right.
Correct. And the movie's name?
Not sure.
Not sure.
Not sure.
This was way back in 1985, I believe.
Okay.
The movie's name it was a famous movie. I hope when I say that, you will remember that. It was Ram Teri Ganga Maili.
Okay. Yeah.
It was Raj
course.
Kapoor's movie.
Yeah.
And Rajiv Kapoor was the hero, and it was
Yeah.
picturized on Rajiv Kapoor.
Correct.
And who was the heroine?
Mandakini, of course. That everybody remembers as much as
You know
I
what
know.
Mandakini's original name is?
No,
No.
absolutely not.
Anything about her backdrop or something?
Nothing.
Nothing. She was born to a British and Himachal mother.
Oh, I thought that she was from the north.
No, she's so fair.
Himachal.
She's so fair. She got the skin from his father. from
Okay.
So that's the way it is. So Mandakini was quite famous in that movie, and the movie was like that.
Right.
So it suits basically coming to that. The song suits Mr. Donald Trump. He's everywhere around.
Okay.
Be it any conflict, any war, any tariff, every time he is on the front pages. Whether it is Elon Musk, his best friend, he's everywhere. He's
That's
covering the
Donald
media
Trump.
like anything. So that, because of that, I said the song.
Yeah. I'll just cut here and tell you about a bit about Mandakini, but
Okay.
of course not the actress. I'm talking about River Ganga. मतलब बहुत लोग ये गलतफहमी में हैं या समझते हैं कि शायद मंदाकिनी और गंगा दोनों एक हैं. दोनों एक तो नहीं है. मंदाकिनी इज अ ट्रिब्यूटरी, मतलब मंदाकिनी जो है वो एक झरना है जो जब बहती है आके फिर वो मिलती है अलकनंदा के साथ,
Correct.
विच इज अनदर ट्रिब्यूटरी. और वो दोनों मिलते हैं कहाँ पे? वो मिलते हैं रुद्रप्रयाग में. राइट. सो रुद्रप्रयाग में मिलते हैं. रुद्रप्रयाग में मिलने के बाद अलकनंदा के नाम से बहती है. वो फिर जाके मिलती है भागीरथी से, विच इज अगेन अनदर ट्रिब्यूटरी.
Oh.
और भागीरथी, ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव अ ह्यूज स्टोरी अबाउट इट. एंड भागीरथी और अलकनंदा दोनों मिलके, और वो दोनों मिलते कहाँ पे हैं? वो लोग मिलते हैं देवप्रयाग में.
Oh.
और वहां से फिर it has the name as Ganga. So this is the story about the river Ganga, which at the beginning, yani from where it starts, it is having different names. And of course, there are many, I should tell you, beautiful stories about each of these little streams or glaciers which come together to form the massive and of course our very pious river Ganga.
Nicely put, and very nice insight.
Great.
It's a evolving thing.
Yeah, of course. I enjoy it, but I'll come back to the questions. So should I take the next question?
Yeah, I will just add there.
Please.
That all the way till now, Mr. Trump was pressurizing Powell
Yeah,
for an interest rate cut.
right.
We will take it, whatever it is, we will take with the rate cuts, we will take it with both hands.
Correct.
Okay, that what matters is markets are moving up.
Yes.
And as a bullish, we are, by nature, we are bullish.
Right.
So that's a very positive news.
Great. I believe Indians are very optimistic by nature. So
One needs to be optimistic about life, about market, everything. But having said that, during markets, if suppose sometimes turbulent time comes, you need to step aside.
Correct.
But optimism we will always take with both hands.
great. Wonderful. I'll come to the next question.
Yes, please.
Yeah. The problem with Wall Street is that they are betting on big tech rally, especially, the Magnificent Seven and of course the rate cuts, but not on the US economy.
Yeah, it's a fact. Actually, I was going to say this. It's a fact. If you see US interest rates,
Right.
okay, are at 3%. The PPI, the latest PPI had come, which is at 3%,
Okay.
way above the Federal Reserve's inflation target of
I see.
2%. Correct. And moreover, if you see, I think last 1.5 years back, the US interest rate, US GDP was around 3%. And it has now fallen down all the way down to 1.2%.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay, no, I have not tracked.
And they are going for a rate cut. So here known is that the rate cuts are coming this September.
Right.
And what is unknown?
Its impact.
Its impact. So we are going towards uncertainty.
Right.
Getting my point?
Exactly.
If the rate cuts are coming this September.
Right.
And God forbid, if suppose because of Trump tariff, the inflation spikes up.
Correct.
And because of that, if suppose growth comes down further down, then we may again on the front pages, it will be recession all the way. It will be recession all the way.
No, we don't want it.
Yeah, no one wants that.
I get.
So known is interest rates are coming down. Unknown is that its impact, as you said that.
Right.
So long story short, लॉन्ग टर्म शॉर्ट टर्म में तेजी है, लॉन्ग टर्म में मालूम नहीं कहाँ जा रहा है. तो we need to be quite on our toes on that.
Right.
तो तेजी शॉर्ट टर्म में कर सकते हैं, but long term में probably we need to be spying with our big eye whether the US interest rates, whether the US economy, where they are headed. Yeah, please.
Great. Still, I trust in the Make in India story, which once we had mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
So I still believe, and I'm sure, there'll be negative and positive, but I'm very sure that we will come up with much more positive things. Well, coming back to the context of the questions, the next question, which is of course our last question. Our stock markets will be positive or negative for the next week?
Oh, it's a very difficult question.
I know that.
If I dissect that, because of the interest rate cut in the US and the jump with at Wall Street, Nifty should take over the positive pattern. The Nifty bulls should take over the positive pattern on Monday straight. We will start higher. Obviously, there is no doubt on that. But whether that will be a dead cat bounce, it has to be seen.
Right.
That's because a major hurdle, major headwind is upon us. That's the US Trump tariff, which is at present at 25%. And from August 27th, which is a holiday for our market, Wednesday.
Right.
Correct. It's a holiday for our market. So on 27th, Trump's 25% additional tariffs are coming into place. So total 50% tariffs are there. Hike is there.
Yeah.
So because of that, how markets will react, that's a bit tricky. So we need to, my sense is that on any strength, probably investors will offload their long positions. That's what my sense is.
Okay.
And technically speaking on Nifty, the hurdles would be at 25,250 levels.
Oh.
Yeah, it's an important hurdle for Nifty, 25,250. And on the downside, the supports will come at Nifty's 100 DMA, which is 24,633 levels. So we have a broad range for the markets. My sense is that markets may move up and down in the coming week, and we will watch very closely how markets react to Trump's tariff, the additional 50%. Here again, it's known that Trump's tariff is going to come at 50%.
Exactly. I mean,
so when something is known, probably markets will not react very adversely.
Okay.
Known is Trump's tariff at 50% till August 27. After that, if suppose something comes. And known, we are coming to known. We are knowing that tariffs are going to hike to 50%.
Correct.
And other thing is known that, okay, everyone has digested this.
Right.
Correct. So no much impact will be there. That was, I presume. But we have to take each trading day as it goes.
Got it. Wonderful.
Yeah?
Wonderful.
So if you push me towards the wall, my sense that I would be bullish on markets. Buy on dips would be the strategy, but on dips.
Okay.
Yeah. On any excessive strength to 25,200, 250 around those levels, one should look to be light, a little bit light.
That's nice. That's really nicely put up.
Yeah.
And on that positive note, we are coming to the end of this question answer session.
Wow.
Now, of course, the questions for our viewers, and that is, at what level will the Nifty close on this weekend? So please put the levels that you feel our Nifty is going to close on the comment section. Yeah.
So where Nifty will close, any guess, whatever your guess is, whether it will close about 25,000 level or we will close towards Nifty's 100 DMA 24,633. Any level which comes to your mind, your theme on the markets, anything which we have missed.
Right.
By the way, we have two positive catalysts in our favor. One is Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's
GST.
GST, the next generation reform which is going to come down.
True.
Okay, that's a very big positive trigger.
Right.
And the second big positive catalyst which is working in favor of our markets is the S&P 500 increasing the stake, increasing its target level, upgrading India's to BBB levels,
Yes,
triple B
of course,
levels.
yeah.
So that's a positive. Two positive, major positive catalysts are behind or on the backside. So on that basis, we would like to be on the positive side on the market. But having said that, the only headwind, I repeat, is Trump's tariff, which is going to come in effect on 27th of August.
Correct.
Yeah.
The day we are welcoming Ganpati.
Yeah.
So on that good note, everybody, a very happy weekend and thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend.
Investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. This content is purely for information and educational purpose only and in no way to be considered as an advice or recommendation. Investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. This content is purely for information and educational purpose only and in no way to be considered as an advice or recommendation.